Hello guys, this is your host and first of all welcome to the YouTube channel of Forex Planet. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you will get a notification when we upload a new video. So basically this is a chart of gold according to 1H, but as you know we will go to 1 month candle and after that we will try to study it. Yesterday in my video I told you that this is the buy zone and this is the buy momentum of the candle once it is started, as you can see. Okay, so there are almost 8 candles, which means from 8 candles the gold was bullish, and this is the first, maybe this is the first selling candle we will have according to 1 month chart, but this is not decided yet at we as we have 4 days to close the market. So let me show you my calendar. Today is 26 and the market is closed now when I am recording this video. So let's talk about this candle. This candle is a selling candle, a strong candle, and this is the biggest retracement we have ever seen in the 9 months. So which means maybe this is a proper candle of retracing as the gold is preparing itself for more bullish momentum. Yes, we have seen little retracement. For example, as you can see, the market was first retraced, and yes, we have also seen the rejection. These two candles were rejecting same and same, but the red candle, this is the first red candle. Okay, so this candle is very important. The closing of this candle will decide the movement of the gold in the upcoming weeks and months. Okay, so first of all, according to the monthly chart, this is the lower point of the candle. We will mark it, which is 2533. So let's move to 1 week chart. Okay, this is the monthly candle, lower low, and market have rejected this point is very important according to the Fibonacci retracement and many other things. First of all, let me show you the gold has rejected this candle almost 3 weeks. As you can see, there are 3 weeks candle rejected the point, and once a big bullish candle break the zone. Okay, first the zone was broken by the market, then we have seen a aggressive buy in the market. As you can see, fifth or sixth, almost I think 6 consecutive markets, 6 consecutive weekly candles gave up buy momentum. And when we have this doji candle, a trend reversal candle, for example the gold was bulling and a one doji candle is formed, which means trend reversal candle has formed, so which change the momentum and trend of the market. And after we have seen a incomplete structure. Okay, a incomplete structure. Why incomplete? Let me show you. This is the 3 soldier candle patterns. Sorry guys. And as you can see, when we have 3 soldier patterns, for example, let me show you with the help of an example. For example, these are 3 green candles. The very next candle is also green. Here we have 3 candles. The very next candle is also green, which means this is the psyche and this is the let me show you with the help of diagram. For example, this is a red candle. Okay, again we have a red candle. Okay, and again we have a red candle. So this is known as the 3 soldier body pattern. According to this pattern, the 4th candle will also be the same, a red candle, a big red candle. So this structure is known as 3 soldier body pattern. Okay, so here we have 3 red candles, but there is no 4th candle. As you can see, here we have 3 red green candles, and the very next candle is also green. I am just showing you the accuracy of this method. So sorry, I have a cough. Okay, so this pattern was incomplete, and yesterday this weekly candle of the green candle also proved that this is a Moro-Bozo candle. And what is a Moro-Bozo candle? I have explained you many times. For example, this is a green candle, and if it has no wicks, no body, then this is known as a Moro-Bozo candle. And here we have this a green candle, a Moro-Bozo candle. This is the accuracy and verification of more buying. If we have a Moro-Bozo candle, so which means the market is going to be more buy and more sell. For example, there are two types of candle. Here I have made the diagram. This is the Moro-Bozo candle which does not have any wicks, and this is a simple candle. This is not considered as a Moro-Bozo candle because this candle has a body as well as a wick. So here this green candle was a Moro-Bozo candle, and this is the buying confirmation, and this is the confirmation of buying. So here after a Moro-Bozo candle there was a confirmation of buying, but market manipulated, market did SL hunting, market just finished the buyers in the market. I don't think so there is any buyer in the market. So let's come to our topic. So now this zone is very important. If the monthly candle will close above the zone, it may reject this, this candle, this zone is very important. The market should reject this zone again and again. If somehow market break this zone, be ready for the more selling. Why? Because next support is present here, which is a area of 2295. Okay, because then there is no support by the market. The main support is on the area of almost 2300. But this will be possible once market close below the zone, then it will go up, reject the zone, and it will give more selling. But we have almost 4 days in the closing of the monthly candle and weekly candle. So there are two possibilities here, that market will come again here, reject it like that, and after that it will go more up. Okay, definitely this is a pumping. But if somehow the market break the structure, then it will retest from its downside, then we will be ready for more selling. And let's see, as we have 4 days in the closing of the weekly as well as monthly candle. Okay, so according to the weekly candle, this is just today, as today is Monday, the market may form a wick here like that. Are you like this candle, the small doji candle? Okay, so if we will have a similar structure like that, then we can say that the market will make a wick here like that. For example, this is the red zone, and let's see, this is a green candle, and the market will have a wick here. Okay, like that the market will form a wick here, then it will go up. As today is Monday, and there are also 4 days in the closing of the weekly as well as monthly candle, so we are expecting this. If somehow the market break the structure, then be ready for the carnage. There is no point for to stop the gold. Okay, so this is the gold according to weekly chart. Let's move to daily chart. So according to the daily chart, here market have completed the structure. For example, let me show you a 3 red candles, the very next candle is also red. 3 green candles, the very next candle is also green. So here we can draw 2 similar structures. For example, the first structure is like that. Sorry, it is not from that, it will be from that position. Okay, this structure. Okay, the second structure is this structure. So we will remove the longer structure as market has break this, and now we have this structure. Before that, the market was moving in a triangle pattern, and market have made a special move as it was from Wednesday, September 24, September, October and November. So 3 months market followed this structure, and now it has broken this 2 days ago. So here are two possibilities. First of we have a support level here, not special but a minimum support level. Okay, as you can see, market have used this support level in the past. Okay, this is the, now we have a major support level here, this support level. Okay, this red candle is the monthly lower of the market, and this is the same support level that I have just drawn. So here are two possibilities in the market. First, the market will retest this zone and then it will go to that point which is known as 2668. Okay, almost a move of $50 to $60. Okay, and then the market will break the structure. There are two, first of all let's talk about the first red zone. There are two, first of this red zone and then this trend line. There are two rejections here by the market. If somehow, unfortunately or fortunately, market will break this, then we can say that market will reject this zone and then it will go up. Selling is only possible, and I will only sell the gold for long period. If gold break this zone in the downside direction, then it will hold here. So after that we will think about selling, but for now, as it may be a little retracement to remove the buyers from the market, or maybe a special purpose stop loss hunting. So according to the daily chart, I have drawn this zone. Now the gold has entered officially in this zone like that. So in the past, the gold also made a special move here. Almost 2 to 3 weeks gold was moving in this special, in this zone. But now let's see what will happen next. So let's remove this line and let's go to H4 zone, so we can try out more smaller thing. Okay, so first off, I am going to highlight this zone. Okay, as market was moving here for a longer time period, and let's make it red. And after that, now the gold is moving in the zone. First off, as you can see, the market has successfully broken this zone for a special purpose known as stop loss hunting. Because market gave a move below the zone, everyone thought that it will go more sell. Then the market here finished the sellers by moving up, and here it has also finished the buyers. Buyers finish here, seller finish here. So this is the special purpose by the market. So market, this may be a manipulation by the market to remove the buyers, as this is the red zone and market will retrace like that and it will go up. Yes, it may break the zone in the downside direction, then the ultimate goal will be 2546. But after that we will also going to buy. When we will sell it? Once market break the zone 25402 to 2532, which is almost of 20 pips. So far now there are two possibilities in the buying. First, market break the zone. Second, market retesting the trend line. Okay, first market break the trend line. Second, market retesting the trend line. Market didn't break it in the downside direction, so we can say that this zone is very important. Maybe tomorrow market can break this, but this is not the final verdict yet, so we have to wait. Now when we will buy the gold? Once we will have a strong confirmation, a bullish engulfing pattern. For example, let me zoom out and so we can talk with the facts and figure. For example, this is the, okay, suppose this is the red candle. The very next candle, or maybe any red candle in the day, make a move almost like that, which engulf the previous red candle. Okay, Let me show you with the help of an example. This is a bullish engulfing pattern, a definite prime example of bullish engulfing pattern. For example, we have a red zone, we have a red candle here like that, and the very next candle of the market start like that, and which will engulf the high of the previous candle. So this is known as a bullish engulfing pattern. Why? Because the next candle, this ongoing candle, has engulfed the previous candle. Okay, so this type of structure is formed here. When this type of structure will form here, then we will going to buy the gold. One more example. If market tomorrow hold here like that and try to make different types of channels here, what is channel like this? If almost 4 to 5 candle reject this zone again and again, the market came down and go up. Let me show you with the help of a diagram so you can understand quickly. For example, the video is become very lengthy, so let's wind up. For example, okay, let's try to. For example, here is a week. Okay, for example, this is a candle and the market has rejected the zone. Very next candle, a red candle, again reject the zone, and the very next candle will go up, again reject the zone, and it will be a green definitely. And very next candle gave a zone move like here, and it will give a move like that, but it will close like that. For example, so if the market break the zone like that but closes above the zone, then this is known as a stop loss hunting. Let me show you one more example. For example, we have this candle. For example, we have this candle, okay, like that. Okay. If we have candle like that, it is known as stop loss hunting. It is required to close the market below the zone like that. The body of the candle should be closed below than this zone, then we are going to sell it. Otherwise, if many candles like that I have formed on the screen reject here again and again, then we will definitely going to buy it by settling the stop loss just below the zone. This will be the stop loss of our trade, and we are going to buy the trade until our first target, and which is known as 2667. So this was all about gold. If you have any confusion, you can ask me in the comment section, or you can message me on my Telegram. We are definitely going to answer you. So don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for your support and love.